Hello and welcome to my kitchen. We are here another day for another fantastic recipe, and today is the turn of carrete de ternera a la gallega, or beef Galician style. If you follow my channel, you will know that I don't eat meat, so we are going to do this with portobello mushrooms, which are delicious as a substitute of beef. And the way that we start, as you can see, this is already hot. The way that we start is we add a whole garlic. Oh, it's alive! Anyway, it's attacking me. We leave, anyway, we put the whole garlic in, and now, I don't know what's happened to this, but now we're going to add the portobello mushrooms, already cleaned and cut in quarters. If you don't know how to clean your portobello mushrooms, you can check a previous recipe that you can find over here that I've done with portobello mushrooms, and you can learn how to clean them. On the meantime, talk to me, yes. On the meantime, we are going to fry this as my mom would have done if it was piece of meat. We let it cook or brown for a couple of minutes, and we'll come back. Okay, so now that it's being fried for a couple of minutes, I'm going to add the chunks of onion, all go in there, and we'll mix it. And yes, we have to cook it high heat. We'll add a bit of salt, or as much salt as you like. We'll reduce the heat, and we'll let it cook. You will know when the onions are soft and the mushrooms are soft. I would say about 40 minutes or so. The 40-50 minutes, that will give you a nice flavor. And we'll cover it. And don't forget to remove every 10-15 minutes or so the bits and pieces, so one, they don't get stuck at the bottom of your pan, and two, they all cook evenly. It smells lovely. Okay, so let's have a look. Look at this. So it's been about 40 minutes and the dish is looking like this, looking good. So I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to set it aside. We're gonna get on with the next step. Right, so the next thing that we're going to do, we have the 3 tablespoons of water in this pot, and we're going to put the cooked potatoes in it. Now, these are new potatoes. I cooked them previously in their skin. Once that they were cooked and they were hot, I removed the skin, and I think it's pretty simple. That's what you need to do. And now we're going to add them here. Okay, now that the potatoes are in the pot, we're going to heat up the remaining half a cup of olive oil. Oh, I didn't set up the heat. So there you go. We're going to heat this up. Once that the olive oil is hot, we are going to add the paprika quickly. We will mix quickly. We don't want it to burn. And then we'll put the pot and we'll pour it over the potatoes. That's right. we will get the half a cup of wine, and we will pour it as well with the potatoes, and we will let them cook for about 3 minutes, low heat. And what we will also do for those 3 minutes, we will move the pot so the sauce gets a consistency to it. So after only 3 minutes of pure shaking the pot, the sauce has completely changed. You can see there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the heat and we're going to set it aside. Now, to be true to the recipe, to my mom's recipe, as much as possible, what I've done, I've removed the mushrooms from the pot. If you were cooking meat, that is what you would do. You would take the meat off the pot, let it rest and slice it. So just to be true as much as possible to my mom's recipe, I have removed the mushrooms, and what I'm going to do next is we're going to add the potatoes to this sauce, and we are going to heat it up slowly. So now we'll mix it and heat it up medium heat for a couple of minutes. And this, my friends, is how vegan jarreta a la gallega, vegan beef Galician style looks like. Mushrooms in the middle, surrounded by lovely potatoes and this lovely sauce. I hope you can appreciate it. It smells fantastic and very easy and very quick to cook. So if you like this recipe and all the other recipes in my channel, please do subscribe, do give us a like, share with your friends, follow us on Facebook, on Pinterest, Instagram, whichever takes your fancy. And I hope you try this dish. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. And I'm going to enjoy dinner with my family because today is lovely and we are lovely. So see you on the next video. Bye.